Evelyn. It's me, Sam. I got a news that it's gonna flood soon in Brookhaven.
Oh yeah, I know, right?
You can come over to my house if you want. It got extra security for floods because it's installed extra security.
Okay, you can invite Maddie and also Wendy.
Yeah, can you also call them? I have to call my manager to inform this to them.
Okay. Okay, Maddie. Ring, 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 ring. Maddie.
What, Evelyn?
It's raining, so actually Sam called me to go to her house. Are you coming?
Yeah, sure. When?
Now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get ready.
Okay, fine. I will call.
Wendy also coming?
Yeah, you can call Wendy.
Ring, 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 ring.
Hello?
Hello, Evelyn. Can you come over right now? It's starting flooding downtown.
Okay, I'll come right now. I'm coming.
Call Wendy and Maddie too. Don't forget.
I call Maddie.
Oh, I can see you. Come on, come on.
Yeah.
Get inside. I got extra security.
I will call
installed
Wendy
in my
right
house.
now. I will call
Because
Wendy.
I'm the mayor and all that. They get
Okay.
installed extra stuff. So
I will call
you don't need to worry about flooding.
Okay,
Here.
I'll call Wendy.
I'm gonna call my manager
Wendy,
right now.
ring,
to
ring,
get-
ring, ring, ring. Wendy, ring, ring, ring.
Hello.
So Sam called us to her house. Are you coming today?
Yeah, sure. I know.
Oh, Maddie, she's here. Come on fast, okay, Wendy?
Okay, I'll be right there. Can I lock my house? Come on, fast. It's flooding. It started flooding in downtown.
Okay.
I'm scared. Just kidding.
This house is so protected, isn't it? You're the mayor.
Yeah. It's really protected.
You're the mayor, so this house will be protected.
It is raining, Maddie.
Yeah,
it is
raining.
badly.
Oh, hi, Wendy.
Hey, Wendy. Okay, I'm just gonna shut the door
Okay.
and put the blinds because extra safety and paparazzi.
What shall we do now? Watch TV?
Of course.
I don't know.
Or maybe I'll order McDonald's. Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah, sure, right? Love McDonald's.
Okay, let me just call.
Hey, have you got a computer?
Yes, upstairs.
I'm using it.
No problem. Let me just call the.
Do
My
we have
manager
some
to get-
snacks here?
Yeah, I'll just give it to you. I got lots and lots of snacks.
And also, you can make me you can make me roommate.
Of course, yeah, or else it might not work. I'm in Wendy roommate too. I can't find Maddie's. So
Maddie's in the computer room.
yeah.
But
Do you guys want ice cream?
Yeah, I want ice cream. I love ice cream.
Me. I love it.
Me.
I've given one to you.
No, actually, I'm on a diet, so no. I actually have to be really slim and fit.
I got
so
one. You guys can get it from the fridge.
Okay.
There's a lot in the
I already finished my diet. Now I want some ice cream.
I don't have
No.
diets because I'm the man.
do you have any bananas or something healthy?
It's right here. It's right in
Ew,
the
I
table.
hate bananas.
Ugh.
I'm actually
I'm
trying
not a
to.
fan of bananas. And some people say that the manager won't allow me to eat bananas because he does not like bananas. Oh no, she does not like bananas. But I like apples. I love apples.
Actually, I'm eating healthy food because I'm getting fit for my fashion show in Bloxburg.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
And also
I am not eating healthy. I don't like eating healthy.
I think I have to shoot a video soon. I'm not gonna shoot today because it's flooding and there's no ideas for me to shoot a video.
After some time, after the flooding is over, I'll be over to the news office to inform the people of Brookhaven that the flooding is under control.
Yeah. Let me just watch some TV real quick.
1 minute, guys. I'll just go outside and come right back because I need to check on the floods on downtown.
Hey Sam, I'm gonna use your shower.
Okay.
Oh, the news. Oh, Survivor. Oh my god, look at this. News. Oh my god, I hope Sam is okay. Oh my god, the house is on fire.
I can't bear to watch.
Yeah, me neither. I'm just gonna close the TV right now.
I'm actually gonna
I'm gonna go to
stay outside.
I'm gonna go to Maddie's computer room real quick. Okay, where is it?
Ring, 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 ring.
Hello?
Hey guys, I'm in the reporter's office right now.
Okay, are you okay right now?
Oh yeah, it's not much flooding now. It's getting under control.
Actually, it's raining quite badly. I'm
I'm playing
Yeah.
some Roblox in your computer.
Okay. Tell the TV because I'm on TV right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I'm gonna check soon.
I'm in the TV station now.
Okay.
Evelyn, do you like my outfit? This is actually a new outfit that my designer sent me.
Oh, cool.
Thanks. Okay, I'm going downstairs. I want to watch Rags to Riches.
Yeah, I want to watch some news. I hope Sam is there.
Okay, let's see. It's Sam. Oh, Rags to Riches. I want to watch it.
What?
I want to watch Rags to Riches.
But we are watching the news in it. Brookhaven News.
Oh, look at Sam.
Okay, fine. Let's watch that.
Yay! Finally watching Rags to Riches.
Oh my god, I'm not gonna watch it. I don't like that.
Fine, I'm gonna put family life for you.
Sam, I'm gonna call Sam right now. Ring, 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 ring.
Ring, ring, ring. Hello.
Are you home yet?
No, I'm still on the news.
We are bored. Come on.
Yeah, I'm coming right over. I'm just on news. I'm getting an interview.
Actually, I'm quite
I
scared.
don't
I'm
want to
gonna go.
check the news.
I'm gonna go home. Okay.
What? It's raining.
Yeah. it's
Okay, guys,
raining.
I'll be right there. I'm just coming home.
Oh my god. Let me just grab like an apple maybe because I'm so hungry right now.
Let me just see whether Sam has any veggies. I want some veggies, bro.
I think there's no veggies
Okay,
in her
Sam.
house.
Hey guys, I'm home.
Oh, hi, Sam.
Interview done.
Hi, Sam.
Hey, Sam.
I got a really nice interview.
We forgot to check the Brookhaven News, so we didn't saw you.
Yeah, no problem. I brought you guys some stuff to eat.
Ooh, I'm full right now. I ate an apple.
You know what?
Hey.
Sam, if you're giving me something, please make it something like steak or chicken. I am not eating burgers. Sorry.
Yeah, but you're on a
I got
diet,
something
isn't
for
it?
you, Wendy. I got something special and healthy.
Oh, green apples.
Not apples. It's something more healthier than
I want
that.
apples. I
Some
love.
Zeus salad. That's for like heaven for healthy people.
Yeah. So what should we do next? I'm so bored right now.
I got something for Wendy. It's super healthy.
Okay, give it to me.
Okay, how will it?
I think it will be a banana.
I'm gonna go upstairs. Wait a bit.
That's just so boring. Just stuck in a house.
Yeah. Wait there, Wendy. Let me give you your banana.
Oh my god. I hate bananas. Don't bring that banana near me.
Are you trying to give me some those stuff? I don't want those stuff. Are you trying to arrest me?
Yes, I'm gonna arrest you.
Yeah, she's the mayor.
Hey, what did I do?
Nothing. Stop right there. I want to arrest you. I'm the mayor.
Leave me alone.
Oh my
I want
god.
to arrest you for being something. I'm doing something so fun.
Oh my god, she also have it. Oh my god, I'm just gonna run from this house. Bye. Oh, this locked. Door is locked.
Just kidding. I was just having fun. I'm not gonna arrest Wendy or anything.
I'm so bored. Can we do something?
Let me go call my manager to see if the rain is done.
Yeah,
Hello?
after that we can go back to our home and have some
Over.
rest.
Yay!
What? What?
The flooding is over. Everyone can return to their homes.
Yay! Let's go.
I'm gonna go to the Brookhaven News and inform it. So see you guys tomorrow, guys. Bye.